This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and clip it into the hole in the inner wing. Prise the rubber cap from the rear of the headlight. Gently pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminals. Press the ends of the retaining clip forward slightly, then apart and fold the clip down. Withdraw the bulb from the reflector. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the bulb into the reflector socket. Note that the bulb flange will only fit correctly in one position. Pivot up the retaining clip and engage the ends with the catches. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminals. Refit the rubber cap. Prise the rubber cap from the rear of the headlight. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise and withdraw the bulb from the reflector. Pull the bulb from the holder. Taking care not to touch the bulb with bare skin, press the bulb terminals firmly into the bulb holder. The bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Insert the bulb into the reflector, then twist it clockwise to secure it. Refit the rubber cap. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.